Peace, y'all. This is Asè'Underground. I have to whisper because my family is asleep, but I want to come on here real quick and give you guys a paradigm shift, okay? So, something is coming in very, very fast here with the Eight of Wands, okay? And it is your self-actualization. When someone is self-actualized, they have nurtured their talents, their self-love. It is at the top of the self-hierarchy of needs, okay? So there's a pyramid, and at the top of that pyramid is someone that would be self-actualized. So your desires, your talents, all of this is brought to the forefront, okay? This could be talents that you've gotten from your ancestors here with the Big Mama card, the Sun card. It hasn't fully come in here yet, right? Because we have the Magician on its side. Black Hermit, okay? So let's look a little further into what's going on here. This is a paradigm shift because this does not seem necessarily like a win, okay? In this particular deck, this card is somebody winning, but it doesn't seem like they're winning. So you becoming self-actualized, you're on a journey right now. You are in the process of bringing your talents, your desires, your passions, your love for yourself, becoming whole in that, okay? And it doesn't seem like this is a win. Maybe on the outside looking in, it doesn't look like you are actually ascending, but you are, okay? There could even be negative or nasty gossip around you because that is what the swords, the Five of Swords usually represents. And that's why this is a paradigm shift for someone here, okay? Things are seeming at a loss, but they are not. And so that is my cue. That's why I was going to do a small paradigm shift for you all tonight. I knew without fail my kids would wake up. So as always, I hope this gave you the life force rejuvenation and paradigm shift that you needed for your journey. I'm honored to be on this journey with you all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay. All right. Good night.